welcome to my new video. In this video, I would like to teach you how to shoot fishing panel with Pano-Fishing Style. So what is Pano-Fishing Style? It's like shoot with your one-shot 360 camera as if you are a fisherman, like this, horizontally, put the camera in the water, above the water, and as if the camera is the bait for the fish. So, in this video, not only I will show you my setup with Ricoh Theta Z1, I will also show you my real-world example with the Insta360 1R, a 360 mod, of course, and as well as the Canon QooCam 8K. So no matter which one of the one-shot 360 camera you have, you can take amazing night shot, you can take amazing fishing panel with any one of the 360 camera. To show you all about the fishing panel with the Pano-Fishing Style, I have recorded a behind-the-scenes movie for you. If you want to know all about the secret, keep watching. My name is Yixun Guo. I'm a 360 photography maniac. And on my YouTube channel, you can learn a lot about 360 photography and master one-shot 360 camera like never before. Oh, by the way, how do you like my new t-shirt? This place is really beautiful, especially when the car is driving along the road. You can see the light is very beautiful, especially on the grass. So I'm planning to put my camera right in the grass, so when the car is moving, I can see very beautiful shadow highlight, and at the same time with the people fishing in the pond. And look at these three guys. They are put the blue light into the water, and the blue light will not disturb the fish, and that will help the fisherman to see clearly how many fish under the water. It is a very clever light. And if you listen carefully in that direction, you can hear the frogs. There are many frogs. They are singing at night. Did you hear that? Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Now you can see it's very dark at night, and yeah, you can see it on my background. There are people that go fishing at late night. It's around 10 o'clock p.m. and it's the best moment of the night for people to go fishing because it's really silent and it's really cool. The weather is great. The water is also very clear, and there are people moving, sitting there, that go fishing and enjoy their nightlife with fishing. I was trying to shot a panorama of this situation because the light was so dark. I have to rely on a bigger sensor. This time I choose the Ricoh Theta Z1 to capture this shot. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you everything I did to capture that amazing shot. Stable. Yeah, I will use a flashlight for you to see it clearly. This is my camera. You can see that. All the way down to the bottom. It's 2 counterweight, a Bushman mini tripod, and a 360 Pro super long and super short selfie stick. This is my setup, and I'm gonna take the shot with this camera, and that's my settings. Up to the sky, you can see the moonlight, right? And the blue light. Many fishermen enjoy the nightlife with their fishing and their light. Here you can see this man just got a fish, and they bring his hook back, put the fish, or add on another belt. Then he will throw that colorful band again into the water. That band is indication of his hook in the water. And you can see this car passing by, the shadows, the light is just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's cinematic. And what if we can capture that shot in 360, right? Here I will show you another example of the fishing panel, and you can see more clearly how I arrange my camera, my super long selfie stick, and how I put my camera. And this fisherman is very clever. He just put his bait, put his pole near the river, and he sit behind, wait for the fish to eat that bait. Here is my counterweight and Bushman mini tripod, as well as a 360 Pro 2.7 with fully extended, so that I can put my camera in that position. Now the fisherman is getting ready for the bait and check out if any fish has ate his bait. When the fish ate that bait, the green light on the top of the pole will shake, and we will see that, feel that, and get the fish out from water. And now we can see that he is rearranged the bait on the other side of his pole, and after that you can see this is a bait. Yeah, and at the end of the fish, he will pull his lines back to his pole with his mechanic rolling. You can see that because he has stayed there for quite a while, and now he's prepared for the leaving. And that is how I take the shot. And I have a very nice talk with the fisherman, and we really enjoy the night. Here I will show you the final result. So with any one of the camera you have, carefully selected viewpoint when you fishing at the pond near the river, you can take an amazing shot with your one-shot 360 camera. And as the fisherman did, the fisherman chose to use a pole to put their bait in the water with a pole of a length of maybe 7 or 8 meters long. And for the one-shot 360 camera, we can also use a pole to put our camera into that specific, very interesting viewpoint to capture the stunning fishing panel. We call it Pano-Fishing Style. It's just like you put your camera in that position as if you were fishing with your camera as the bait for the perfect one-shot 360 photo. I do hope that we can try to shot in Pano-Fishing Style in our daily life and achieve stunning viewpoint and achieve stunning photos with your one-shot 360 camera. If you agree on the Pano-Fishing Style, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will share with you more about the simple tricks in one-shot 360 photography. Hey, what's that camera? This is the misphere, the Metaventure camera. So even in July 2020, the Metaventure camera is still one of the best camera for 360 photography. And in the future, I would like to share more about my personal experience, my personal example with this Metaventure one-shot 360 camera. So stay tuned. Until next time, bye.